Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and following all the rule regulation which is given by your parents also, which is made by your parents also, and which is given by our government also. This is only the way to be free from all the disease. Okay. Now again once more we will revise the chapter love, and then we will do some exercise related to this chapter. See, what was this chapter? This chapter was about love. What is love? And all of you know, love is a special feeling. We can't express it. Only what we can do, we can feel it. And when we are in love with anyone, we care for them and accept them as they are. We don't have any if and but for them. That's why love is called a special feeling. Okay. Now see, once enemy is now friend. Here was the story of mouse and the cat who were enemies, and why they were enemies, that I want to tell you. They were enemies because cat always troubled the mouse. She ate the food, frightened him, ran after him, and mouse was afraid of the cat. This was the reason of the enmity. And what happened once? One day cat got wet in the rain and fell sick, and she started sneezing, and then she had the fever also, and she was so weak that she couldn't get up from the bed, and mouse was watching everything from his hole. That cat is lying sick in the bed, she is shivering with cold and fever, and she became very happy. Why she became happy, you know? The mouse became happy because the cat always troubled the mouse. See, here cat is lying sick and mouse is happy, and she was enjoying singing, dancing, because the cat was sick. Now what happens? But when she thought, after singing and dancing, a time came when she was feeling bored, and she thought that if the cat is running after me, she is making me active. All the positive things she thought. If she runs after me, she makes me active. If she frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God for help, and without her my life would be boring. Whenever we are in problem, whenever we are in need, whom we ask help? First of all God, then our parents, then our friends, then our neighbors. Isn't it? This comes sequentially because we have a strong belief on God that if we will ask for help, God will be there to help us. And my dear, God helps us whenever we are in need and whenever it is reasonable. If unnecessary thing you are going to ask, then sorry, God won't help you. But if it is reasonable, God helps us, because God is doing all the thing with a certain purpose. So each and every command of God we should accept. Now all the positive thing the mouse thought of the cat, and then she decided to help the cat. She cooked food, brought some medicines, looked after them, and after this much effort, cat was healthy and back again. And after that they remained good friends, and they understood the advantage of friendship. They understood that it is always better to be friends than enemies. They understood the importance of friendship, because when we are enemies with each other, we always think of bad thing. But if we are friends, we think of always positive. We try to help each other when we are in love with each other, when we are in friendship with each other. We try to help them, we try to make them comfortable with our work. So this is the advantages of friendship, and this feeling is only called love. Now here you are having some exercises from this, and first I will like to explain this quotation. God willing, thou will be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. God willing means God wants. It is the will of God, means God likes, God wants that we should love and obey to our father and mother. God has blessed us with such good parents, such good teachers, such good elders, friends. So we should always love them, and especially parents. My dear, you haven't seen God, but you have seen your parents standing beside you to support you. Always, from early morning to late night. So we should always obey and love our parents. My dear, there are very small things that will make your parents happy. If you have cleaned your table, if you are obeying them, if you have listened to what they told, if you are doing your work by yourself, these small things makes your parents very happy. Your good marks, your good handwriting, your good behavior, this makes them feel proud and happy. So you haven't to do big thing to make your father and mother happy, and only you have to obey, do your work by yourself and love them. Okay? Love, all of you love your parents definitely. If I will tell that your parents are not good, you will directly, because this is a love. If I will complain about you also to your parents won't feel nice. This is the feeling of love. And my dear, it is very true. When any parents are complaining about the children to me, I also don't feel nice, because I love them. And I want that I means me and your parents together, we should work on you for your betterment. Okay, this is called the bond of love. And we never know, here is the explanation, my dear, that we never know the love of a parent till we become parents ourselves, and then it will be too late, my dear. So love your parents, obey your parents, and this is the will of God also. So we should always respect the command or will of God. Now here are some exercises. The mouse was dash of the cat, and according to the story and in the nature also, the mouse is always afraid of the cat or scared of the cat. Okay, afraid of the cat or scared of the cat also you can write. Now love is caring for someone, treating them with kindness, and dash and accepting them as they are. Love is caring for someone, treating them with kindness, and accepting them as they are. And here will be treating them with kindness and respect. When we are in love, we give proper respect to our loved ones. Cat was dashed with cold and fever. And what will be here, my dear? Trembling, shivering. Shivering means trembling, shaking. Shivering means trembling, like this, shaking whole. When we are feeling too cold or we are feeling frightened also, our body starts shivering. Mouse went and got some dash for cat. And what did the mouse got? Mouse went and got some lunch and a medicine also. Here we will write medicine. Isn't it? Because he cooked food for lunch and he got some medicines for the cat. The cat was back on her feet, and what will be here? Healthy. The cat was back on her feet and healthy again. As time went by, their love for each other, what happened? Increased. The love for each other increased. They were always dashed for ways to help each other, and they were always looking for ways. Looking for ways to help each other. It is better to be friend than enemies. Because if we are friend, we think everything positive, but if we are enemy, we think all the negative things to harm others. And here is the quotation: in the garden of thy heart plant dash but the rose of love. Here will be not. This quotation tells that if your heart is a garden, you only plant there rose of love, means love and affection for others. No hatred, no enmity, no negative things, only positive things we should keep in our heart also, in our mind also. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching these videos, and beta, follow all the rules, regulation, and be healthy at home, and definitely obey your parents, love your parents. This is only moral science. Moral science is not to pass the examination. This is not a subject, my dear. This is all about your behavior. Thank you once more.